What if I told you that 8 beavers in just 2 days did a job better than humans had planned for 7 years? This isn't a fairy tale. It happened in the Brdy region of the Czech Republic. $1 million project was in the works to fight water shortages. But then, nature sent in its own engineers, the beavers. Officials had been planning a dam for 7 long years, costing over $1.2 million. The aim? To fight against increasing droughts and water shortages. But the project faced endless delays, red tape, and permit issues. While humans struggled with paperwork, nature quietly prepared its own solution. In January, just 8 Eurasian beavers appeared. In only 2 days, using sticks, mud, and rocks, they built a series of dams across the streams. The result? A natural water system that held back water, restored wetlands, and achieved what humans had failed to do in years. And here's the kicker: it was completely free of charge. Beaver ponds aren't just water storage. They act as natural water filters, reducing pollution. They slow down floods, store carbon, and create habitats for countless species, from insects and fish to herons, cranes, and even moose. By building dams, beavers turn barren streams into thriving ecosystems. Once nearly extinct in Europe due to hunting for their fur and castoreum, beavers are now making a comeback thanks to conservation efforts. Across the continent, they are reshaping rivers, valleys, and entire landscapes. What humans see as construction, beavers see as survival, and nature thrives because of it. Experts in the Czech Republic admit the beavers did the job better. No machines, no delays, no cost. Just instinct and teamwork. This story isn't just about saving $1.2 million. It's about realizing that sometimes the best engineers are the ones nature designed. So the next time you hear the phrase busy as a beaver, remember, they might just be the world's most underrated problem solvers. What do you think? Should humans rely more on nature's engineers? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories where nature outsmarts us.